Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
No, baby, not the whip trot. Stop. Stop.
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm starting out this vlog with me cooking a fish. Literally, this is not my first rodeo, y'all. I've cooked multiple fish in my life: fried, steamed, roasted, you name it. The only fish I really cook is snapper. If you know, you know. Jamaicans love red snapper. That's literally like one of the core meals in Jamaica. I'm about to just season it really quick. I actually have no vinegar, and y'all know that's like another staple piece that you're supposed to use to clean your meat. But since I don't have that, I have a whole bunch of lime. So I'm just gonna prep it really quick and just take you guys along with me.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thankful for the journey that's for us. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's it goes to the friends that they come to me for one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and we come in the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire team. Now up on stage with chronics and you sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring. Like hello, bro, John, say I.
So your girl is actually at the beach right now. I was gonna let y'all know when I was at home, but y'all, it was real hectic. It was really busy just to get out of the house. We have our little setup here with our umbrella, our blanket, and all the other good stuff. So I'm pretty much just gonna edit, and then I have a reel that should be dropping tomorrow, so I'm just gonna get that edited really quick, finish planning for the rest of the week / weekend. But regardless, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Good morning guys. It is currently a new day. It's the next day, so your girl is actually about to get an early start to the day and do a little bit of spring cleaning. Now typically my type of spring cleaning, guys, is literally like cleaning the crib from top to bottom. But I'm not doing that today. I'm literally doing spring cleaning, as in putting my spring decorations up, switching out the old decorations and putting in all my spring decorations. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. I'll see you guys downstairs.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm moving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play.
Stop. Stop.
Big boobs in a bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie.
currently nighttime right now. I'm about to start getting ready for my girl's game tonight. She's having like a little housewarming game night thing, so I'm about to get a little dressed up for that. Not dressed up, I'm about to just literally put on like some loungewear, some Skims or something. But before I do that, I actually want to try out my Peter Thomas Roth face mask, because y'all know, if you guys watched the last vlog, that I got like a whole bunch of them. Let me actually get it, because I'm just talking. Y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about. This is a little Peter Thomas Roth mask. I am going to use the 24K gold mask, because this is really the reason I got it anyway. Right, so let me go ahead and apply this. I don't actually have my applicator anymore. It's been a minute since I haven't had my applicator, because it's been a minute since I did my mask. Damn. It literally feels like a moisturizer. So it's like, I don't know if I'm supposed to be adding on like another layer maybe. I just feel like the more I rub it in, the more like it's starting to fade into my skin. But I'm gonna just put on some eye patches. I might actually put on the same 24K gold ones, because I actually have the ones that match that. And then I'll catch you guys when I'm about to wash it off. Y'all probably can't really tell, but I can tell. I feel like my face is like a lot more smoother and a lot more like glowier. Now, as I said, I could be wrong, but that's just how I feel. You know what I mean? I already did my hair, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick, put on my clothes, and I'll catch you guys when I'm about to head out the door. Right, so your girl is dressed. I just put my hair in a claw clip. I did a little light makeup, literally just concealer, blush, lashes, and eyebrows. And I'm wearing just something cozy, literally just a jean jacket, my Skims bralette, and I'm wearing some Skims bottoms. This is in the shade Mineral or Kyanite. It's one of them. It's like that blue one. And then I also got a new blush by Juvia's Palace, or Juvia's Place. What is it called? Yeah. But more to the story. I'm about to head out really quick, and I'll catch you guys.
Love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I thought that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like,
You know what I'm You cheated. It's your turn.
I know. I'm just trying to make sure I don't play the wrong card.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
Oh.
So what is that, 4 shots? Absolutely not. You trying to do that bitch so smooth. It's the fucking good bitch.
Oh, damn.
Damn, bitch.
But I got this one. Yeah, so the chip don't count. That shot is on you.
Yeah.
No, baby, not the whip shot.
pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I thought that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like, let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yeah, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like, damn.